Please welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to make your Twitter, your account of Twitter private. So the first step is go to X, and here you need to go to the superior part here. This is the part of your profile, and here you need to go to the option of settings and support, and you need to pick off this button in the right side. And you need to go to the option of settings and privacy. So in this part, you need to go to this option in the option of privacy and safety. You pick here, and you need to pick here in the first option of that part where set audience and tagging. So in this part, you need to make your Twitter private, make your account of X private. You need to pick here in protect your post. So after that, the only current followers and people you will approve in the future will be able to see your post. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.